Hi, Achievers! I am so excited to be doing morning assembly with you today. And I know most of you because I had the opportunity to teach you when you were in my class when you were tiny. But if I don't know you, my name is Mrs. Wright, and I am the kindergarten teacher here at Achieve Charter. We're going to get into morning assembly here in a second, but will you do the Pledge of Allegiance with me first? Please stand and salute and pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. You may be seated. All right, you guys, today is March 16th, 2021. It's Tuesday. And this week at Achieve, we are going to be talking about some big concepts. We are talking about tact, empathy, and relationship skills. And I'm excited to talk about these because they are near and dear to my heart. So tact is basically knowing what to or what not to say, or what to do or what not to do in certain situations. And we've all had that awkward moment where we've been around another person that has said or done something that was really hurtful or maybe embarrassing to somebody else, and it's just awkward. And so, I was thinking as I was making my morning cup of coffee this morning, the first step I did was I got out a pitcher of water, and then I got a coffee filter, and I filled it up with coffee grounds, ground up coffee beans, and then I put that water into the machine, and out the hot water drips through the coffee filter and the grounds, and out comes out this amazing aroma, this great smell, and this liquid that we know as coffee, which I enjoy having a cup in the morning. But I was thinking that coffee filter, it plays a really important role, because if that coffee filter was not there, the hot water would just drip right through the coffee beans too fast. And also with that would come out the coffee grounds into that cup of coffee. Now, sometimes when you get to the bottom of that cup of coffee, there will be a few coffee grounds in there. And if you're not expecting it and you ever take a sip of it, it's horrible. It tastes bitter. It's a weird consistency. It doesn't feel nice to take a big sip of coffee grounds. So it kind of reminds me of tact too. We have all these thoughts, so many thoughts going through our head on any given day, and we have the choice how to react to those thoughts that we are experiencing and the ways that we want to react to certain things that are happening. But we as humans with social filters have the responsibility to use our brains. Our brains are like that coffee filter, and our brains are going to help us decide what things were just meant to stay inside our heads and what things were meant to be verbalized and to actually come out. And same with our actions. What actions should we just be thinking about, or what should we actually be doing and how we should be responding in certain situations? So that brain social filter lets us think about, if somebody said something or did something, how are you going to react? And what are you going to say? And we need our brains to be just like this coffee filter. We need our brains to catch all those thoughts that are never meant to come out and not say them. And only say things that are going to be positive, that are going to be building other people up, that are going to edify others too with our actions. And when we can do that, we really save a lot of hurt feelings. We save a lot of embarrassment. Sometimes you are the one that you're embarrassing with your words or your actions too. And it's kind of also like a tube of toothpaste, right? If you get a tube of toothpaste and you squeeze all of the toothpaste out, there's no way that you can possibly replace the toothpaste and put it back into the tube with it looking nice, and it has, the nice minty lines in it like it had when you purchased it from the store. So once you get that toothpaste out of the tube, you cannot put it back in. And it's kind of like our words too. Once our words are out there in the open and other people have heard them, we can't take those words back. And those words can have damaging effects, or those actions. So next time you see someone drinking a cup of coffee, be sure to remember to use your social filter and kind of be thinking about your things before you say or do them. All right, have a good week, and I will see you soon.